Bro, where are you?
Hi.
Oh!
It's not English.
Big chilling, big chilling, big chilling, big chilling.
I very understood that. Very inspirational. I found the key. Oh look, it's a Miss Appleberry. Hello.
Wait, I'm gonna eat my banana first.
You don't about that person right there. Hello. Hi Karen.
Karen!
Bye Karen.
Karen, but red.
I'm so freaking scared. Don't leave me here, bro. Oh frick! Oh my. Now let's do it tomorrow.
Wait,
Goodbye.
playing with my friend, but he has hacks. Wow!
Well, that'll be the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hate this game. ML Bensoy. Wow, ML.
Mobile Legends.
Very addicting.
Martial law.
Where? Is that everything?
Law.
Yeah, I know. Okay. That's good. That's a good
The
sign.
my mic. The my mic.
The My Mic. Chapter 2. Video cancelled yesterday. Hooray.
Sorry, oh my gosh.
Control. PS5.
Where are we?
Wait, I'm everything's black. There. This is where we ended.
Oh,
This is where you
where
cheated.
are we? Where are we?
Heaven.
Where are we?
Hard.
Is anybody there? Yes, me and Ivan.
Friend.
Friend!
Friend.
Friend!
Friend.
Friend!
Friend. Friend.
Bro, doors reference.
Yeah, I know, right? We have a long giraffe. What the frick? We're in the zoo. What's the objective? I forgot to read.
Doors reference. Oh my god. Go. Leave.
I forgot to read the objective again.
We have a giraffe.
Oh, okay.
No, oh my god.
He was right there.
Bring it up next. Ivan. You got that enough. I don't know. Ivan, where are you?
I will just speedrun this game because you know you played it yesterday. What?
Bro,
He's chasing me. Fine.
bro, I'm coming, bro.
Bro, you say power of English. Where are you?
Ivan, where were approach?
He will hear you. Okay, let's open this level.
Blood, what?
Okay, use your power of English. Read that.
Wait, I'll use my power of English.
Yes.
Bing chilling.
Wow, okay, we understand the lore. Okay, go back.
Go back.
Trying to juke him. I juked her. Let's go.
Blood, where are you, Blood? I need your blood.
I'm here, safe and sound. I'm adjusting the audio. Wait. There.
Are you in the door?
Yeah, the big one, or maybe not.
Oh, okay.
They ran just like you. Okay.
Where's friend?
What are you talking about?
Where's friend?
I killed them. Devoured. I am them. Devoured like
Okay.
them actually, like you know, mommy long legs. Sure. You know.
Do you know what devoured means?
Oh, I don't know. Or
It's like eating something. Something like
totally a queso moment.
queso. Why queso?
Eating. You eat the entire McDonald's sculpture.
Bro, imagine we fell.
The ladder kissed me. Oh no, I died for a year. Dungeon. Friend? Friend?
Okay, I'm not doing this again. Okay?
Friend! Long time no see, friend! Friend! Oh, you see
Friend, where are you, friend?
Friend hates me.
Friend.
Crying. Friend just left me. Just run it, go! Open the door.
Let's go.
There, close the door. Not me planning to trap you. It's not me planning to trap you, okay? I have no choice.
That's friend.
Yeah, friend. We found heaven. Look.
This one. Ivan, it's this one.
I want heaven.
This is the one. This is the one.
Why?
Let's go. See? This is the one.
Wow! I love this game. Wow.
Being chilling by Jason. You got teleported to this.
Sounds like my TV getting broken. Oh. That's what
We're not gay. Straight.
bro, straight ahead. Up.
Straight to Oh.
Anywhere. Blue spirit.
Where?
There's lies as a great threat.
Right is right.
Oh, right is good. Yippee. First time.
Right is right.
Yay. It's like a key game.
Are you sure that's a door? Is that even a door?
Door unlocked. That's the exit. Wait, no. I didn't mean to enter. Where are we? Realm of Forgotten. I remember.
No, I don't remember. Here's the spirits. Oh, guiding light.
Wow! That's great.
Guiding light.
Bro,
Guiding light reference.
follow them. Seem to be leading me to food. Oh! That's a big
Oh,
friend!
that's Kayla.
You're so
Okay,
big. Do we continue?
somewhere where? Somewhere where?
Oh, I guess we'll go this way. Okay. You have to find a
That's my
butterfly.
name.
Hey bro, can you open the door? Please? Your butterflies or...
Wait, I'll read first.
Okay. What's this lore?
Tao Xiao.
Very understandable. What if we open? Spirit is...
Open.
Ah, here we go. There you go.
Ah, there we go.
I'm gonna kidnap you. What? Gay?
Totally a normal door.
You go first. That's a red room. That's a bad
Okay.
sign.
Do we go there?
Wait,
Not there. Right
it's
here.
not a maze. This is just left or right.
I got the spirit behind you, okay? I
Okay.
got a spirit here.
Okay. We're in the school now. I think we're dreaming. Yeah.
Wait, I forgot something. I forgot my books. Oh, okay, it's right here. Let's go. Oh,
Hi.
a butterfly. Dude, right here. On my hand. I got the butterfly.
Why, man?
Ah.
This is worse than
Why?
statues. I'm not going to.
Bro.
Hi. Have you guys seen a key?
Oh. Hello?
Have you guys
Hello,
seen a
guys.
key? Do you know what color it is?
We're just visiting, okay? Oh.
I just looked away for a second. I'm not going down.
It's a maze.
Worse than
Oh
chapter
no.
one. Yeah, it's totally a maze.
I don't like mazes. Don't like me. Oh, bro.
Oh, wait.
Be quick. Okay, right there. Right there. No.
Oh, there.
Oh, found the key. Okay, I found the key. Okay.
Wait, let's
Let's
go
go,
to
let's
that. Okay. Now we're just gonna get out alive. We're alive. Let's go. Wait. Another door.
Okay. Okay, this is a good sign.
Sewers.
Okay.
Wow. If this is a maze, no.
Bro, I thought this was water.
Yeah, this is water.
Oh yeah, that.
Please, man. If I lag, oh man, I hate it.
That's not amazing.
Oh, big mom. Okay, we know what lurks here. A big yacht lady, aka
Big Yacht Whistler.
Skibidi.
Big Yacht Whistler.
dying.
Okay, it's right there, it's right there.
Oh yeah.
It's right there, it's right there.
You ran so fast.
When the light goes dark, it means it's right there. It's the first sign.
Oh.
Oh, see?
Yes, blue butterfly.
Oh, here we go. Okay, here we go.
In case we both die.
We got. What? We're gonna die. Go in here. Get in here. Tomorrow.
Oh, so you gotta go. My recording. Okay. Hello, we got the spirit. We're back. The next day.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, bro. Okay.
Facts.
We grinded 24 hours, bro. Can you believe it?
Let's go.
Yay.
We got spirit.
Ooh, I'm feeling just another maze. Dead flashlight.
Another Japanese
I
town.
suppose I can't. Damn it. Dead flashlight. Dead city, to be honest.
We don't have flashlight. We have the light.
Yo, bro, it's doomsday, bro. It's the zombie apocalypse.
Nice moon. Very nice moon.
I think that's the sun. Oh, no, bro. Oh. I just...
Hey, yo!
Can't-
Boss fight!
Karen!
Karen!
What did she said? I didn't heard.
Karen!
I don't know what you said. Like he didn't heard my word. Sign up. Yeah. Certain houses will protect us. Ooh, door. What? Yeah. Protect from what?
Very nice house. This is my house.
Okay. Oh, Karen. Karen's coming. Go to a house. I'm guiding like. Oh no. Run. Sprint. Either. Open that door.
Blind.
Oh, yes. Map. Thank you so much. Entrance. Wait,
Wow.
where's the entrance? We went.
Wait.
This is the dead end.
We're like right here.
Yeah, it's
right
the
there.
L1. It's the L1. It's this one. It's the L1 from the entrance.
Bro. Imagine this like a McDonald's maze.
I don't see it.
The papers you see in McDonald's in the table.
Yeah, from the birthday party.
Yes.
Okay, here. Go. Exit. Yes, thank you. I
You
live.
find the exit?
Yeah, I did. It's heaven.
Nice. That's a good sign.
Spirit off, dude. Use the power of
Okay,
spirit.
that way. I got the spirit. Wait.
Remember.
Wait. Open.
Get out.
Yay.
Gabe. Aha, Karen, we suck. Skip.
Yay. Muscle memory.
Yay. End of chapter 2. Wow. Oh, Pren.
Wow.
Pren.
Woo.
Pren. Yo.
We did
Never
it.
escape the cost of the
We
witch.
did it.
The witch.
We don't care. We ended this. Let's
ended,
go.
bro. Nothing, bro.
End of chapter 2. Okay.
Brother, that's the
We
we
don't
got
care.
bored to put anything.
We don't care. Oh, the buttons are right here.
Yeah. Do we do
It's
chapter?
getting really shaky.
Do we do chapter 3 right now, or we edit
Bing.
first?
Bing. Chilling.
Which one do we do?
Bing. Chilling.